spiritual prayer, messenger of the sky and the golden flowing wind, where the limits of the earth finally and totally end. In the theater of dreams you are the breath of the one, the essential spirit flying toward the central sun. To dream of the bird is to find your own hidden wing, learning how to truly fly and learning how to sing. It is the freedom of the vision, the elevated sight, breaking the narrow walls of the mental night. Sing your own song, let the higher spirit be a message of light for both you and for me. Fly on the wind, let the song ring. Everything you feel is a holy thing. Trust the air, let the bird wing. The bird of the wing is a wing of the bird. Yes, the bird of the wing is a wing of the bird. Philosophy of the infinite space, ethics of the high, writing the truth on the deep blue of the sky. Parapsychology of the celestial radiant field, where the secrets of the aura are finally unsealed. Be the small bird, be the breath in the wide sky. The secret of life can never possibly die. Infinite sky.